I know guys, you don't have to tell me that you guys love journaling and scrapbooking, but you lose interest in this hobby just because you don't have enough supplies or enough budget to continue this hobby. But here I am in the rescue and I will be creating DIY journaling kit part 2 just for you guys. So let's get into the video. So if you're wondering who am I, so welcome to my channel Ashrama Insight. I am Ashram Soni and this is a cute little space. So take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today my aim is to create a full-fledged journaling kit and the final one. So I created part 1 where I showed you how you can make washi tape, textured pattern paper and so on. So in this video we will create pattern paper, blending tool and ink pads. So I am excited to make all of these DIYs. So let's get into the first DIY. Let's go. For the first DIY, we will need a paper, a coffee diluted in water, and then we will take a plate. And by the way, this plate does not match my aesthetic, but I don't have any choice. Now we will mix the coffee with the paper and look at the color, bro. The vintage aesthetic is bang on. And then we will put all our anger into this paper and we will put it aside to let it dry. And for the next pattern paper, we will take a plain paper and then we will take a washi tape. You can take any washi tape and you have to make this cross pattern because we are aiming to make a checkered pattern paper and it will look so aesthetic. Now I'm choosing a baby pink color. For that I'm using my oldest white color. And mind you that मैंने इन कलर्स को जन्मों तक यूज नहीं किया क्योंकि आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ पोस्टर कलर्स. अब मैं अपनी ये जन्मों पुरानी पैलेट यूज करने वाली हूँ जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, बट आई हैव टू यूज दैट. नाउ आई एम मिक्सिंग white and red color and after mixing that we will get this beautiful pink shade and now we have to just paint on the paper. And guys, I have to make a big announcement for you guys, so I will talk that in the later video. But now we will remove all the tapes and it was super satisfying. And now we will get this type of pattern. Again I placed the washi tape on the colored part. Now we will paint on the blank side and we will take a darker shade. And after painting, then we will take out all the washi tape and this will be a final look. And this was looking so good. For another design I'm using this old novel and I will tear this page, and you guys saw me using this all over my journaling and scrapbooking videos, and here I am using it again. So finally these are our 3 pattern papers. The first DIY was pretty simple. We made 3 type of pattern paper and from each of them we can create n number of designs. So let's get into the second DIY, which will be about blending tool. So let's create a blending tool and let's see it will be a easy task or not. So for the second DIY, I will tear a paper from this notebook and I will again destroy the paper because I want to be mentally healthy and remove all the anger. So yeah, and now I'm taking my favorite type of clay, which is air dry clay, and you can tell in the comment section which is your favorite clay. And now I'm taking a chopping board because I don't want to destroy my cutting mat for this project. And now if you're wondering what I am making, so I'm making the upper part of the blending tool where we will hold the blending tool, and this was so satisfying. While I was making, I was so relieved and I was not overthinking at all and the process was going smooth enough. अब स्मूथनेस की बात कर ही ली है तो हम पानी लेके सारे सरफेस को स्मूथ कर लेंगे और एक भी क्रैक दिखने नहीं देंगे बिकॉज वी नीड परफेक्शन. भले ही परफेक्ट ना हो पर बोलने में क्या जाता है. Now I am taking a Fevikwik and putting the Fevikwik inside the bottle cap, and now I will put some clay inside because I don't want it to destroy at all. So जन्मों तक safe रहेगा ये चीज़. Now I am again putting Fevikwik inside and outside of the blending tool and then I will secure it with the help of clay. And now we will keep it aside to make it dry. And now we will use sandpaper, which is the worst part in the video. So I am muting the clip because I don't like the voice of this sandpaper. Now we will take a strip and cut it out. So we have to stick the strip on the bottle cap. So I'm using Fevikwik to stick on the bottle cap. After the structure is ready, we have to just paint it out. I'm using acrylic marker. You can also use acrylic color. So I'm using this purple and black color theme. We will go ahead with the varnish coat, and yeah, the structure is ready with color and all. Now we have to just make the bottom part. For that I'm using this velcro. I don't have the velcro in home, so I purchased it, and I will put all the links below in the description box. So if you need, you can go there and purchase it and make this DIY. And now we are complete with the velcro, and we will take sponge and we will stick the rough part of the velcro on the sponge so that the sponge can stick itself in the velcro part. As you can see, our blending tool is ready to use, and it was looking so amazing. I mean, the structure was not perfect, but I am happy with the result. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. Personally, I will use this DIY in my personal videos because it is so useful. We can change this sponge and we don't have to make the upper body again and again. We can just change the sponge and create a number of sponges, and we can dive into any color and smudge it off. Let's get into the third DIY, which will be about ink pad. And so let's see how we can achieve that. Let's go. I will take this palette. No, not again. I will use this saucer. I'm taking a teaspoon of glycerin. If you are wondering, I had glycerin in my home, but no, I don't have any product that required in this DIY. So this DIY was super expensive but worth it. Now I am taking this alcohol, not a proper alcohol. It is named as isopropyl or something like that. I don't know. And now I'm taking this color. Now I will make the consistency little thin. So I am using water. Now I'm taking little bit of dish soap. You don't have to take a lot of, but use this much. And now I will mix it. Now I'm using baking powder. Don't use baking soda, you have to use baking powder, and then mix. And I had this dried ink pad, so I'm using the case of it. Now I'm taking the sponge and cutting out of the shape of the case. And now I will take a Fevikwik and put it on the case, and I will stick the sponge on it. And yeah, we have to just pour the color we just made into the sponge, and the sponge will absorb all the color. And here are our 3 colors that we made, and now we will just try it out on a paper so that you can know what is the type of consistency we will get, what type of blending we will get. And here is the result. They are blending so beautifully with each other. So these DIY ink pad work 10 times better than the market one, and I was shocked by seeing the result because the DIY one was smooth and blending easily with the another color, whereas the market one don't blend easily with the another color. So that's impressive, and you should also try this at your home. And if you are wondering, these are my real ideas. No, I don't have that brain to find all the chemicals and mix and merge and make this goodie product, but no, I took this idea from another video, so I will link the original video down below from which I saw. And yeah, so let's collect all the DIYs together and let's make one single journal, and let's see how it will turn out. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So before reaching out to the conclusion, I am announcing a huge giveaway for you guys. So this will be a special 100k giveaway. So do subscribe me and hit me 100k because giveaway is soon for you guys. And in the next video, I will tell you that what will you get in the giveaway. So stay tuned for the next video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो एक लाइक तो बनता ही है, और I put so much effort in this DIY because I'm a lazy girl and I did just for you guys. So you better like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment me down that which DIY is your favorite one. So let's meet in the next interesting video. Till then, tata bye bye.